You're taking things well. Too well.
It was bound to happen eventually. A simple symptom of age.
So what? Do nothing.
This organisation has grown old and stale. Too many of the same people clinging, too afraid to let go. The tenets of what this place was built on, forgotten.
To maintain order.
No, to protect people.
What's the difference?
Well, with one we focus on helping who we can, whereas with the other, it's to ensure change does not happen.
Well, we can't help anyone if we're weak and challenged.
True.
So we need to fight.
We need a culling within.
To kill our own.
To cut our wrath dragging us down. We need new blood, new ideas, ones that stand for what we used to.
And you decide who stays and goes.
If that's what it takes.
Can you really be that ruthless?
We're already ruthless. It's just a target changing along the way.
And that's why they're fighting us. You think that the people behind these... We can't get rid of the old blood. They have wisdom.
But not all of them have the creed to our organisation.
So you will usurp our leaders.
We need the wisdom of the old and the vision of the young. Balance. Right now we're top heavy. I'll do what I must.
And what do you want me to do?
Survive.